Hello and happy Thanksgiving. So, what we're going to be doing today, if you'd like to try it, is drawing one turkey and turning it into two with two simple folds. You can also write the words Happy Thanksgiving between it if you'd like. This trick works for so many different ideas, but since Thanksgiving's coming up, I thought I'd do a Thanksgiving theme. The drawing on the left that's already been colored that you're looking at is actually done by my daughter Harper. She watched me do this trick with another idea, and this gave her the idea to do turkeys. When you're drawing over the first fold, or sorry, when you're drawing over the second fold, you want to press kind of hard. Otherwise, it might move on you. Hold your paper still while you do it. Your first bird and your second bird will look about the same size, although you can add as many details to each of them. I decided to keep it pretty simple for coloring reasons. If you'd like to add a hat to them, you can see I've added a hat. The hat does seem to make it a little bit more Thanksgiving themed instead of just a regular turkey. Again, open and close your foldable frequently, or after a while of drawing, you'll want to open and close it just to see what's going on underneath of it. Sometimes your lines might get off into the wrong place and you'll have to fix it. After you have both of your turkeys drawn, again, you can write the words Thanksgiving, or you can decide to leave that area open, or maybe put a third turkey between them so that they're all standing on each other's heads. That could be kind of fun too. I hope you liked the video, and tell me how it works out for you.